Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I will show how you can get a raw photography option in your Redmi Note 8 Pro. So without any further more delay, let's begin. First of all, what you need to do, you need to open any web browser and you need to go to this website. I'll be providing this website link in the video description too, so you can click on it and visit this official developer website. And you can see below there is a different flavors of camera applications which will provide you raw photography. This is especially the GCam modded applications. So here you will see the two different versions. One is 6.1 and the other is 7.3. So I'll be showing both the version, so you can download any versions. So I will show you both the versions and the settings layout where you can get a raw photography options. So you can download both the files, whether the 6.1 or the 7.3. So depending upon your choice, you can download it. So you download it and install it. So after installing, if you install the 6.1 version, then firstly you see this video. I'll be showing you the 7.32 later part. So first of all, if you're installing the 6.1 versions, then you can see its camera user interface. So you can see in the app options there is no raw options. So what you need to do to enable this raw photography options, just tap on this more. After tapping on the more, tap settings. On the settings sections, under the photo options, there is an advanced option. Click on advanced, scroll down below, and you can see here raw plus JPG control. Just enable it and go back to the photography. So here you can see a raw photography option. So you can tap on it and you can see a raw plus JPG. And suppose if you click a photo, say I will be showing you one sample. Say I have clicked one photo, so it will save it as a raw photo. So we'll check it out in the by going in the gallery applications. So I'll show you. So as you can see here, a raw photography. So I'll show you the details of this pictures too, so that you may get it clear without any doubts. So here you can see it's .dng, that is the raw file. So it's awesome. If you wanna take a raw photography in your Redmi Note 8 Pro, then definitely you should try this application. So I'll be showing the 7.3 versions too. So now in the 7.3 version camera applications, I will show you. Suppose say here, if you go here, you won't get an option of raw photography. So how you can enable it? As you can see here, settings button, just tap on it and just scroll down. As you can see here, advanced option, just tap on it and you can see here raw plus JPG controls, just enable it. Move back to the photography applications. So now tap this one, then you can see here option of raw photography. So in this way you can enable such features for raw photography and captures the raw photography using the modded GCam in your Redmi Note 8 Pro. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.